Right now we are in UAE, in Dubai Service Center, where we conduct field testing for Tesla.
The climate here is special. It's very warm, so it's part of the reason why we're doing testing here.
We are focusing mainly on mileage accumulation, hot weather related tests, as well as product launch testing. So we like to test these cars here. We also do the same in Norway during the winter. The main goal of this test is to make sure that these vehicles will survive at both extreme conditions, cold and hot. We will be safe for every conditions we have in between these two.
We're actually driving per day between 250 and 400 kilometers to make sure we have a long distance and we stress the car a lot. So now we finished the supercharging, which means we need 100% for this tour today. And we run out to Jebel Jais, to the mountain. Hopefully everything goes good today. Let's see.
I am collaborating with the field quality engineering team from Berlin. We're testing Model Y here, and at the same time we have a US Model X Plaid. Right now we're in Ras Al Khaimah. It's an emirate about 150 kilometers from Dubai.
We are at Jebel Jais. It's the highest place of the UAE.
We are about 1,400 meters above sea level here.
UAE is perfect because the climate is consistent. It's always super hot.
Extreme humidity, extreme heat.
Earlier today it was 51 degrees. So pretty hot.
You don't really find this climate anywhere else in the world.
It can be very dusty one day, so we can have sandstorms or dust storms. It can also get very humid, up to 80–90% humidity sometimes.
The hot climate is really challenging for the vehicle because it has to cool the battery, the drive units, and also it's really important to keep the passengers cool.
So we'll charge the car numerous times. We'll use the AC as much as possible. We'll use cabin overheat protection. We'll use all the features of the vehicle. We'll park it in the sun for a long time. We'll charge it superchargers. Why are we using black cars? Because black absorbs more heat. So we want to take the car that's most likely to suffer.
We're trying to find everything that could impact the customer from bumper to bumper. Here we are on the mountain road. So we have a steep incline, which is really good to test the chassis components, for example.
There's lots of twisty turns all the way up the mountain. It's a continuous drive up, so it puts a bit of strain on the powertrain, cooling, air conditioning, all sorts of things.
Going uphill, that costs a lot of energy and it's turning into a lot of heat. That's perfect for testing the thermal system.
Don't worry, but you've got a Hornet on your shorts. He's gone.
While testing conditions are pretty intense, the heat, sandstorms, it's a lot of big bees around here, also goats that we're not used to see really often.
We are here right now in UAE because it is the worst time to be in UAE. It's the hottest time of the year. The weather is no fun. It's 50 degrees Celsius some days. You cannot go outside in midday sun. You will burn. It's just too hot. No one wants to come here in the summer, but it's a great time to test a car in hot climate.